Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're into cutting-edge gaming tech, portable powerhouses, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors swirling around the highly anticipated ASUS ROG Ally 2, a potential game-changer in the handheld gaming PC world. With expectations building toward a major reveal at Computex 2025, fans are already buzzing about what ASUS could be cooking up, especially when it comes to a potential 240Hz display, more powerful internals, and a more ergonomic design. ASUS ROG Ally 2 rumors, the future of portable gaming. The original ASUS ROG Ally left a strong impression when it launched, positioning itself as a worthy rival to the Steam Deck, Lenovo Legion Go, and AYN Loki Max. Now, with its successor reportedly in the works, the bar is even higher. According to trusted sources and early certification listings, the ROG Ally 2 may be preparing for a summer 2025 release, with its first public debut possibly happening at Computex in May. And while official confirmation is still pending, credible leaks point to a complete overhaul both inside and out. Redesigned body, ergonomics at the core. According to the most recent renders and insider leaks, the ROG Ally 2 will likely feature a revamped ergonomic design focused on long-term comfort. We're talking larger rear grips for better handheld stability, a thicker frame for improved cooling and battery capacity, and a more balanced weight distribution. ASUS appears to be leaning into feedback from gamers who praised the performance of the first Ally, but found its comfort lacking during extended play sessions. Another exciting update: color choices. It looks like users may be able to choose between matte black and Arctic white variants. Interestingly, the black version seems to include a dedicated Xbox button, hinting at tighter integration with Xbox Cloud Gaming and possibly Game Pass. Display. Could we see 240Hz? Let's talk screens. While the original ROG Ally featured a 7-inch 1080p display with a solid 120Hz refresh rate, there's speculation that ASUS may be experimenting with higher refresh rate panels, possibly pushing the envelope to 240Hz. Now, whether such a high refresh rate is necessary or even practical in a handheld device remains to be seen. But for competitive gamers who love fast-paced shooters or racing games, that kind of smoothness could be a big selling point. Unfortunately, we haven't seen strong signs of an OLED upgrade, a key feature many are clamoring for. OLED would mean richer contrast, deeper blacks, and better power efficiency. If ASUS does introduce OLED with VRR support, it could be a game-changer for portable visuals, putting the ROG Ally 2 in line with the Steam Deck OLED. Hardware upgrades. Ryzen Z2 Extreme incoming? On the performance front, the ROG Ally 2 Black Edition is expected to pack some serious horsepower. The buzz is around the AMD Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU, an 8-core processor capable of pulling 36 watts at full tilt. This chip will likely be paired with RDNA 3.5-based integrated graphics, offering substantial boosts in both graphical performance and efficiency. But that's not all. We're looking at support for up to 64GB of LPDDR5X RAM, an outrageous number for a handheld gaming device, and 2TB of NVMe SSD storage. That's more than enough room for massive 8AA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Meanwhile, the white variant of the Ally 2 may take a more budget-friendly approach, possibly running a Ryzen Z2 Lite or similar 4-core chip with 32GB of RAM and 1TB storage. This could be ideal for casual gamers or those who primarily stream from the cloud. Battery life. A serious boost? One of the major criticisms of the first ROG Ally was its limited battery life. ASUS seems to be addressing that with a 60 watt battery in the ROG Ally 2, a huge 50% jump over the previous model. This should give users 2.5 to 3.5 hours of intensive gaming, and even longer during streaming or light usage. ASUS might also tweak its power management algorithms and fan curve to better optimize battery performance, without sacrificing frame rates or thermals. Operating system. Still Windows, still flawed. ASUS appears to be sticking with Windows 11 as its operating system. While this ensures full compatibility with Steam, Xbox, Epic Games, Battle.net, and more, it still isn't an ideal fit for small-screen handheld devices. The community has repeatedly voiced frustration with how clunky Windows can feel on a 7-inch touchscreen. To that end, ASUS may refine its Armory Crate SE software, their custom launcher and control center. A cleaner interface, faster performance, better controller mapping, and a Steam Deck-like quick sleep resume mode are all highly requested features. The hope is for a UI overhaul that feels truly built for handheld use. Xbox integration and new. Features. One standout detail from the leaks is the possibility of native Xbox features embedded into the device, especially the dedicated Xbox button seen on the black model. This could mean faster access to Game Pass, direct login to Xbox Live, or even streaming from your home console via Xbox Remote Play. With Microsoft pushing Xbox Game Pass Ultimate as the future of its ecosystem, ASUS may be banking on deep integration as a major selling point. This would help the Ally 2 feel less like a PC in your hands and more like a true hybrid Xbox device. Pricing and models. Premium meets affordable. So, what's this all going to cost? The high-end black model with the Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip, 64GB RAM, and 2TB storage could launch at $899 to $999. Meanwhile, the more affordable white edition, with toned-down specs, might retail between $649 and $749. This pricing puts the ROG Ally 2 in direct competition with the Lenovo Legion Go, Steam Deck, OLED, and the newer AYN Loki Zero. But it also begs the question, will gamers pay this much for a handheld PC, especially when Steam's OLED model starts at just $549? Community wishlist. What fans are asking for, if possible. ASUS wants the ROG Ally 2 to dominate the handheld market. There are a few non-negotiables according to the gaming community: OLED screen with VRR support, joysticks and triggers with Hall effect. Sensors to prevent drift. Custom UI with responsive sleep-wake cycle support for microSD cards without overheating issues. Improved AMD graphics drivers. Customizable RGB lighting with performance presets. Quiet. Effective thermal management. If ASUS delivers on even half of these expectations, they could solidify their lead in the Windows handheld gaming niche. Final thoughts. Is the ROG Ally 2 worth the hype? With all signs pointing to a full reveal at Computex 2025, the countdown has officially begun. The ROG Ally 2 is shaping up to be a true next-gen handheld PC with a perfect mix of raw power, intelligent design, and platform integration.